read something recently that said that actually you get, as you go higher, there is an area that gets warmer. It actually gets warmer than it is further down. We've flown in things and watched the temperature on the thing at 54 below.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
Now that's not wind chill.
No.
It sounds like there's some sort of like temperature inversion.
Yeah, but once you get above the troposphere, though, you don't see much weather, and the temperatures. You get above 18,000 feet, the air gets so thin